Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee candy. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of strong brewed coffee, 2 cups of granulated sugar, and 1/2 cup of light corn syrup. Don't forget 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda to achieve that perfect texture. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Next, combine the coffee, sugar, and corn syrup in a heavy-bottomed saucepan. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly until the sugar dissolves completely. Continue cooking without stirring until the temperature reaches 250 degrees Fahrenheit or 121 degrees Celsius on your candy thermometer. This precise temperature is crucial for the candy's consistency. Once the mixture reaches 250 degrees Fahrenheit, immediately remove it from the heat. Quickly stir in the 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. It will foam up. Pour the hot candy mixture onto a greased baking sheet, spreading it evenly to about 1/4 inch thickness. Allow it to cool and set for approximately 15 minutes before the next step. After the candy has cooled and firmed up, score it into 1-inch squares using a sharp, greased knife. Once completely cool and hard, break the candy along the scored lines. For best results, wrap each individual piece in wax paper to prevent sticking. Store your delicious homemade coffee candies in an airtight container for lasting freshness. Enjoy your sweet treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.